Get the best out of your dishwasher unit by preventing unnecessary and unwanted leaking. In this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot most common leaking issues caused by your dishwasher setup. If you notice water leaking from the door sides of your unit, your LG dishwasher may have not been leveled properly upon installation, or may have become unbalanced over time and is causing the unit to be tilted in some way, causing leakage. Before we start, a screwdriver, a leveler, an adjustable wrench, and gloves are needed. Next, turn off the water supply line located underneath your sink. Completely dry and wipe up any wet area or water around the sink and dishwasher. Empty the unit of any dishes and silverware. We will also need to remove the racks for easy accessibility into the unit. The dishwasher must be off, emptied, and completely dry when attempting to adjust the unit. Lay some fresh towels on the floor where you will be working. Take a leveler and place it on the top front of the unit as well as on the inside, parallel to the wall cavity as shown here. If the dishwasher is uneven, remove the mounting screws located near the top front of the dishwasher or on the sides as shown here depending on your setup, using a screwdriver. Next, carefully remove the toe kick panel located on the bottom front of your unit with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the insulation piece. To raise the back of the dishwasher to the approximate height of the cabinet cavity, turn the screws in the direction of the indicating arrow printed on the base of the unit, and turn the two front screws accordingly to control the back legs. To lower the rear of the dishwasher, turn the screw in the opposite direction of the arrow. Now you will want to do the same for the front legs, except you will be turning the front legs with the wrench as the front legs are planted. This may take several attempts adjusting your LG dishwasher from both the back and front legs until your unit is completely leveled. Once leveled, make sure that the dishwasher is securely remounted as before. Completely dry and wipe up any wet area or remaining water left around the sink and dishwasher. Turn on the water supply line and run a regular wash cycle to verify that your LG dishwasher is working normally. If you notice leaking coming from the bottom of your LG dishwasher, a loose connection around the 90-degree elbow joint and water supply line may be the result for leakage. If there are no visible signs of leakage, take a dry paper towel and touch around the water supply line and the 90-degree elbow joint. Wet spots on the towel will indicate leaking. The 90-degree elbow joint is attached to the inlet valve and the water supply line is attached to the elbow joint as shown here. Make sure that the Teflon tape is on the end of the 90-degree elbow joint that goes into the inlet valve before installing. Certain LG dishwasher models will have an inlet valve with a fixed 90-degree elbow joint pre-installed, so the only attachment will be the water supply line upon setup. If it was leaking around the seal of the 90-degree elbow joint, look for any visible cracks on or around the 90-degree elbow joint. If there are no visible cracks or damage, unscrew the water supply line from the 90-degree elbow joint and unscrew the 90-degree elbow joint from the inlet valve using an adjustable wrench. Have a towel handy, for some water may spill onto the floor when disconnecting the water supply line and the 90-degree elbow joint. Make sure that the threading inside the 90-degree elbow joint and around the inlet valve hasn't been stripped or worn. Replace the 90-degree elbow joints if needed by purchasing a replacement part from your local home improvement store. Screw on the 90-degree elbow joint onto the inlet valve by hand, and then tighten firmly with an adjustable wrench. For easy installation, face the 90-degree elbow joint toward the center of the dishwasher. Check the supply line for degradation or strip threading inside the water supply line connective screw. Replace if needed. Screw the water supply line onto the 90-degree elbow joint and tighten firmly with an adjustable wrench. Reinstall the insulation piece and screw the toe kick panel back into place. Completely dry and wipe up any wet area or remaining water left around the dishwasher unit. Turn on the water supply line and run a regular wash cycle to verify that your LG dishwasher is working normally. With proper care and regular maintenance, your LG dishwasher is built for years to come. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.